Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahid bin Gamis. I will talk the introduction and the conclusion. First of all, I will start with the introduction. Basically, in Malaysia, the employee are entitled to pay annual leave, which depend on the period of employment as follows: 8 days per year for employees who have 1 until 2 years, 12 days per year for those who have worked 2 until 5 years, 16 days per year for employees who have worked longer than 5 years. In this mini project, we use simple calculation, which is to find how many annual leave available. The calculation is old annual leave plus new annual leave minus how many days employee apply the leave.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azam bin Mat Murtaza. My metric number is 191302049, and now I will present the sequence diagrams of our mini project. In this project, only one staff or one supervisor are able to log in to the system per session. So firstly, the user need to log in to the system by entering their own staff IDs and password. If either one of the requirements were wrong, the invalid window will pop up and notify the user that the login was denied. If the login successful, the user will lead to the staff list system interface. In this interface, user can edit the details of staffs, such as add new staff, update current staff details, and delete old staff's detail. Besides, this interface also make the user able to calculate remaining leave of a staff by entering past leave, current leave, and the number of leave that have been applied by a staff. So after entering the data, the user can calculate the total of the remaining leave, and the remaining leave result will be shown by a new window that show the results of the calculation. Lastly, user can log out from the system by clicking the logout button. If the user choose to click the logout button, the logout window will pop out and ask the user if the user want to log in back to the system or exit the system. If the user chose to log in back to the system, a new window will pop up that welcome the user back to the system. If the user choose to exit a system and click the exit button, user will exit the system and then the program ends. So that's all for the sequence diagram, and that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Muhammad Fazil, and I will be presenting about the UML and the case diagram of this project. Let's go. So there are two users supposedly to use this program, supervisor and staff. Both of the users are available to log into the system and apply leave for their own self. They are compulsory to put their staff ID and password in this program. If the user ID and the password doesn't match in the system, they will not able to use the system. Calculating the leave for the staff. In this project, it was programmed for only the supervisor that have the authority to do that. So move on to the UML. First, the user will log in by entering the staff ID, number and password at the login page. And once they put the right information, they will redirect to the main interface of the system. So the main interface in the system consists of staff numbers, staff name, staff address, staff phone number, staff ID, past leave, current leave, and the leave that they want to apply for. When the user click the logout, the interface system, they will redirect to the logout page, and they will choose whether to log in again or to exit the program permanently. The function of this program will be shown by the next presenter. So that's all from me.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fazil bin Muhammad Zaki Fazil. So for my part, I will demo the application for the employee leave calculator. Okay, so first of all, this is the interface for the login page. So I will put the staff ID and password. Okay, so I'll click the login button. Okay, so this message will pop up if I put the wrong password or staff ID. So I'll put the correct password, and if I click the show password, it will show the password, and if I tick again, it will hide the password. So if I click the login button, it will pop out the message, welcome Adam Fazil. So this is the application, the interface application for the list system. Okay, so I will add the data. Okay, my address is at Kedah. Okay, my past leave, I will put 5. So for the current leave, our team have decided to fix it to 10 days. And I will apply for 2 days. So I will click the add button. And as you can see, the data has been transferred to the table, and if I click the data at the table, the message for the remaining leave will pop up. Okay, so this is the result for the calculation part, which is the past leave will add to the current leave and will minus to the apply for how many days. So 5 plus 10 is 15, minus 2 is 13 days. Okay. So what if I want to modify the data? So I will just simply click at the button, simply click at the data, okay, and then I will modify. So I will change my address to Kuala Lumpur. I will change my past leave to 7 days, and I want to apply for 3 days. So I will just click the update button, and the data have been changed or have been updated to the latest one. So if I click it again, the remaining leave for the if the remaining leave that I have applied have been this is the result for the remaining leave. Okay, which is 7 plus 10 minus 3 is 14 days. Okay, so this clear button will clear all the data. Okay, and if I want to delete the data inside the table, I'll just click the data inside the table and click the delete button. Okay, and then if I have done apply for my leave, I will simply click the button log out. So this is the interface for the logout page. So if I want to log in or re-log in back, I just simply put my staff ID, my password. Okay, so click, and it will log back to the application system. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.
In a nutshell, the Java program for the mini project was successfully, and all objectives that were being achieved flourishingly. The procedure was a little bit complicated, but managed to design the program for the lead application. Next, be able to display the result of the Java program for lead application. There was also some problem that occurred when programming, but managed to modify the Java program so that the result was displayed delightfully. And that's all from me and my group members for this video. Thank you very much.